In this video, I want to learn how to install the Trust Wallet app on your Android phone. Installing a wallet is the first step in the cryptocurrency world. Trust Wallet is an open-source, decentralized, mobile crypto wallet for new users and investors. This wallet is one of the best and safest crypto wallets that supports over 4.5 million assets and blockchains, and allows traders to stake their crypto coins to earn interest. The wallet has a built-in Web3 browser that allows users to buy cryptocurrencies through decentralized exchanges that operate on various networks. It also allows users to access the various decentralized applications built on the Ethereum, BSC, and other platforms directly through the Trust Wallet app. Open the Play Store. In the search box, type Trust Wallet and then tap on the Install button. Wait until your app is downloaded and installed. After it is done, you will see an Open button. Congratulations, you have successfully installed the Trust Wallet app. Now tap on the Open button to open the Trust Wallet. If you already have a wallet and want to recover your wallet, tap on the I already have a wallet button, and if you want to create a new wallet, tap on the Create a new wallet button. Here we want to create a new wallet. You should then have read the privacy policy and terms and conditions, then confirm that you've read both sections to continue. Then you have to create a passcode for your app and re-enter your passcode. This next step is vital to your wallet's accessibility and security. At this stage, you'll be asked to confirm that you understand the risks of losing your recovery words. The 12 recovery phrase you'll be given at this stage allows you to import your wallet onto another device. This is in case you have lost your original device or simply you'd like to access the same wallet on multiple devices. These words should never be given to anyone else. After confirming all three checkboxes, tap the Continue button and copy or write down your words. We advise you to write recovery words down on a piece of paper and store them in a safe place. In the next step, you have to verify your recovery words and tap the Continue button. Now you have created your cryptocurrency wallet. You can now start storing your crypto and NFTs. Explore the world of DeFi and stake your favorite crypto, connect to the world of DApps instantly, and exchange or buy crypto. You can copy your cryptocurrency wallet address simply by tapping on the coin name, Receive button, and Copy button. If the coin you want to use is not in the list, simply add the coin by tapping on the top right corner and select or search your coin, and it will show on the first page list. If you found this video useful and like to learn more about cryptocurrency and receive free cryptocurrencies, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video.